Hey guys, and welcome to another item shop update. So let's start off with YELLOWJACKET, which is always here. Then we got the Summer Legends pack still available. And finally we have this skin available at the moment, introducing Chapter 2 Season 3, which does include the backbling. Let's not forget about the male version with a slightly different backbling, and the awesome glider with the pretty cool harvesting tools and this pretty cool wrap. Next up we have Goldie with a pretty cool backbling. And yes, double gold is back. Finally, Panda is once again available, introduced in Season 5 with the perfect backbling. Let's not forget about this awesome skin with a huge backbling and the perfect harvesting tool to go along with it. Survival Specialist is available once again, together with Wild Gunner. Finally, another rainbow wrap. Let's not forget about all our emotes, which does include Raise the Roof and this awesome one. Finally, under special offers, we still have this skin, together with this harvesting tool, and also this one right here with a really cool backbling. Last but not least, the harvesting tool. Anyways, that would be it for this item shop update. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.